Hello everyone, welcome to Engineers Palette. I hope you all will be doing well. Today we will be studying equation curve driven pattern. So how it works, let's create some curve first. Okay, this this is good. Okay, I think it's fine. Okay, get out of the sketch and now select top plane again and create the sketch, copy the sketch in fact. Okay, now go to swap bezier bus and from here you're gonna select this sketch number 2. Okay, let's wait here, select sketch 2 and I want a circular profile of diameter 5 millimeters around this. Okay, um, now go to reference geometry. I want a point about point here. Sorry, this plane, and my distance is 10. Okay, it's good. Now go to a plane because I want to create some plane. Go to plane, first is this one, and make sure that in a second reference, sorry, okay, reference geometry, first reference, and in a second reference just click on the point, give the point in a second reference, so make sure it will pass through this point. Okay, now create a sketch. Okay, rectangular sketch I want, like this, that much, this will be good. Okay, now go to feature, extrude, and I want to extrude it but in blind. I want it that much in this direction. 5 millimeters is good. In direction 2 I want it in direction 2 I want it blind, and sure that it looks it should look similar, and this much will be okay. Now click OK. Okay, so I've created this one. Now I don't want I want to hide this one and hide this point as well. Now go to pattern and curve driven pattern. So my direction will be this plane, and feature or faces, so I want this boss extrude around this curve. Okay, now here equal spacing, but I want it in the other direction, not in this direction. The direction is good. So now I would increase number of, and make sure that they are tangent to the curve. Not aligned to the seed, but tangent to this curve that I have created. Okay, offset from curve, so it will use that delta x delta y values, but transform curve. So okay, transform curve first, and some more over here. I think it's getting much and much. Okay, so this is the shape that we have created by using this curve pattern. Now go back and create offset curve. Okay, so it will basically the offset curve, what the offset curve does, it basically create the complete calculate the delta x and delta y values, and it makes sure that as the distance of from the reference one, to maintain the distance, the delta x and delta y distance of the reference phase or a feature in all other features that is being patterned. Okay, hide the sketch, this one, the spline. Okay, I hope you would like it. I'll see you in the next video. Please like and share with your friends, and do subscribe to our channel. Take care.